Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications and price alerts in CoinMarketCap. Whether you are tracking Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin, turning on notification and price alerts can help you get instant updates when your favorite cryptocurrency goes up or down in price. So the first thing to do is to launch the CoinMarketCap app open on your device and make sure that you're logged in. If this is your first time using the app, it will ask for permissions to send notifications. Make sure to tap allow so that you can receive updates and price alerts directly on your device. After you are in the home page after logging in, from the home screen, search and select the coin you want to get alerts for. For example, if you want alerts for Bitcoin, you'll need to select Bitcoin from the list and so on. I'm just going to select BNB here. And once you get to this overview page, on the top right corner, you will see a little bell icon. Tap on that. And then on the next page, enter your desired price target. You can select alert by price or alert by percentage. Here, let's select alert by price. And then enter your desired price target. For example, if you want BNB to go above 2,000 US dollars, go ahead and type in 2,000 here and then click on Set Price Alert. After you do that, you can now manage or edit your alerts. From the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right. And now click on Settings. Click on Push Notifications under Settings. And on the next page, look for Price Alerts. Tap on Manage right underneath. And you will then be able to see all your active alerts, edit or delete the alerts, or turn off alerts temporarily. And that's how you easily turn on notifications and price alerts in the CoinMarketCap application so that you'll never miss a major crypto movement again. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.